Hello warriors, what's going on? This is Richard Martin again, and welcome back to my channel, Best Choice Battle. Today we are going to discuss about custom diet plan template. The reason I call this as template, because this can be modified with little or more changes, which could serve better to your body, as you know your body better than anyone in the world. This diet plan template could fit for almost all kind body types who are actively looking for weight loss. Basically, we all know that having a right food plays major role on losing the weight, but having it right time also plays a huge part in helping you to lose weight. Even the healthiest foods eaten at wrong times can lead to the accumulation of toxins in the body, which then results in a lot of health issues. There are a lot of old and new diet methods still being proposed. It is very overwhelming with all this new information, and new diet plans makes it extremely difficult to know which approach to take. Most of the new diet plans almost works the same way, that reduces the calorie intake of body from diet and compensates the deficit with the existing fat, which would eventually cause the weight loss. Regardless of which approach you choose to follow, there are a few details that you need to get right in order to optimize your diet plan for fat loss. The major emphasis is on how many total calories, protein, carbs, and fats are consuming on daily basis in order to maximize the fat loss while minimizing muscle loss. It really requires a close attention to how many calories you're intaking. The diet plan template we are going to see in this video can potentially reduce 0.5 to 1% of total body weight per week without any extra efforts putting on workout. In this video, I'm taking a general numbers in terms of calorie, protein, carbs, and fats that would be provided through food on each day. For example, I'm going to consider a diet plan which would be targeted for 2,200 calories, which has 170 grams of proteins, 280 grams of carbs, 55 grams of good fat. So, let's go. First thing in the morning. No matter what time you wake up, the day starts with a warm water and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, evidence suggests it may offer a lot of other health benefits, such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving the symptoms of diabetes. The morning workout can be an additional to enhance the weight loss and improve the results. Next, breakfast. A breakfast's supposed to be a filling and protein-rich one. A veggie omelet with avocado would be one of the better and easy options, which could fit in our daily food intake criteria. A plain oatmeal with fruit topping can be great add-on and make you feel full with fiber and vitamins. If you are a coffee person, you really don't have to compromise. You can certainly have a decaf or a cup of black coffee. Next, lunch. It would be great if you don't snack in between your breakfast and lunch. Having your lunch between 11:30 a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. would be idle time to get rest of the day and right track. Best option to be advised for lunch is salad, and inclusion of protein like chicken, fish, steak, or chickpeas would be much compensating for overall muscle buildup while losing the fat. If you feel just a veggies and salad is not satisfying, you can reduce the little green and replace with brown rice. This could also balance the carbs. But be careful, rice is not good for every day if you're working to lose some extra pounds. Post-lunch. Having a warm water after lunch can definitely add to easy digestion. Next, evening. Brew a hot cup of tea in the evening. Fix yourself a cup of tea with anything like mint, ginger, cinnamon, and chai. Teas will all help you fend off those longings by hitting that sweet spot without sugar overload. And with so many varieties, it's hard to get bored. If you need to sweeten it up, add just a teaspoon of organic honey, and make sure you measure it out to ensure you don't overdo it. If you feel like snacking, the better advisable option is plain yogurt with fruit slices. Can make a healthy choice to make. Dinner. It is better if you could choose protein food for the dinner, with a combination of boiled veggies. Sushi would be an ideal choice, which is a great thing about knowing how much you should be eating, is that you're able to fit in foods that you enjoy without it affecting your progress. Having a low-calorie, high-protein choice, like salmon fish, helps provide the important omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, and EPA. It has been shown in recent studies that salmon fish possibly help with anabolic signaling, muscle repair, and growth, so in taking a few servings of fish per week and supplementing with omega-3 acids is something highly recommended. Okay, warriors, we have come to the final part of the plan. Make sure having your dinner at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Having another glass of warm water and 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar can manage your blood sugar levels while you rest, and it enhances your quality of sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's catch with another video later this week, which I'm going to present a simple daily workout routine, which may be followed with this custom diet plan, can make real differences in your body, with minimal efforts. Until then, be aware what you are eating, and keep fighting with all kind of sugars. Please don't give up. I promise, we all win this battle. If you like this video, please encourage us with like and comment under this video. For helpful content, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.